fast asleep. I'm still awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest man alive. So many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life. Why you take such a hold of me, girl? I'm still trying to get my act right. What is the reason when you could have any man you want? I don't see what I have to offer. I should have been seasoned, guess you could see I had potential. Do you know you're my only like a statue, stuck staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks, so amazed how you take me back. Each and every time I look around, stuck staring right at you. Sometimes I'm lost for words every time I disappoint you.
Thank you so much. Salamat sa akin ngayong gabi at kasama pa sa inyo, di ba? Thank you sa lahat ng nag-add to cart at nag-check out. Sa lahat ng nag-add to cart, i-check out nyo yan, guys. Maraming salamat, of course, sa Hickory's Kid. Thank you.
Why did you make it hard?
Thank you, Hickory's Kid. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagkumkum niyo po sa akin. Thank you. Marami pa po tayong pagsasamahan. And Mr. B, thank you so much. So, ayan, Mr. B, thank you so much. See you. Yeah! See you, Casey. See you, Casey. I love you. Bye, Hi, baby. I love you. Kiss.
I love you.
She's taking her gamot na.
Oh, very good. Katie, kiss.
Is your mama?
Bye-bye. Bye, Chris. See, ay, wait, ang picture lang.
Picture. Yes, 7 days.
Okay na? Bye, Chris. Bye-bye, Chris. Bye, Katie. Bye, Katie. See you later. Love you.
Love you.